Mole is a Mexican masterpiece, a culinary symphony that deserves a standing ovation. But here's the kicker. It's a meal that can be intimidating to make, especially for those who haven't dared to venture into its complex flavors. And this is where Rick Martínez Mole Sencillo from his book Salsa Daddy comes to the rescue, showing that creating a mouth-watering mole is within reach for any home cook. This recipe is a revelation. A symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds dance. Imagine a velvety sauce, rich and reddish, with a subtle nuttiness and a gentle sweetness that warms your soul. It's the kind of dish that fills your home with the aroma of a lovingly simmered sauce. Perfect for a special occasion or a cozy family dinner. And the best part? You can create this masterpiece with simple pantry staples and just an hour of your time. No more fears or doubts about making mole. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it really that easy to replicate the complex flavors of a traditional mole? Some might argue that the depth of flavor requires more than just the simple recipe. But Martinez's book proves otherwise. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure? Sign up for the Eat Voraciously newsletter and receive a weeknight dinner recipe, along with tips and techniques, delivered right to your inbox. It's time to conquer the mole and impress your taste buds.